Hello everyone, welcome to अपना channel. So first of all, congratulations to all those who have made it so far. ठीक है, जो आपने thousands of candidate को beat किया है and finally you are just one step away to get this Mini Ratna PSU and that is your interview for which you will get total 15%. Okay, तो weightage जो है interview का वो 15% है and definitely in this video we will discuss that how to score maximum in that 15%. Right? Okay, now before starting our video, the one thing which is most important for you guys to understand that कि जिसके भी मार्क्स अभी ज़्यादा आए हैं दोज हु गेट मोर स्कोर एंड जिसके भी कम आए हैं दोज हु गॉट लेस स्कोर. ठीक है, ये चीज़ें सोचनी नहीं है कि मेरा कंफर्म सिलेक्शन होगा. ओके, आई विल डेफिनेटली गेट दिस मीन इतना फॉर श्योर दैट दिस 15% विल नॉट क्रिएट दैट मच डिफरेंट. ओके, एंड जिसका कम है जो व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस लेस स्कोर, मीनिंग दैट यू आर ऑन बाउंड्री ऑफ कट ऑफ. ठीक है, सो इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट यू विल नॉट गेट इट एनी हाउ. ठीक है, ऐसा नहीं है, कुछ भी हो सकता है. इन द पास्ट वी हैव सीन इन BDL दोज हु आर एट वेरी मच गुड स्कोर दे ऑल्सो गॉट रिजेक्टेड इन द इंटरव्यू. ओके, एंड जिसका कम था उसका भी हुआ है. तो मेन थिंग इज दैट दिस 15% विल प्ले अ मेजर रोल इन योर प्रिपरेशन और इन योर फाइनल सिलेक्शन. ठीक है, बिकॉज देयर विल बी मिनिमम क्वालिफाइंग कट ऑफ दैट दे नेवर डिस्क्लोज. ओके, बट you know that consistently I am giving selection in BDL since from 21, right? Now this is the third time I will give selection. So main thing is that I know that minimum qualifying cutoff will be there, right? Now out of this 15 it may be 5%, 4% like that. But अगर वो नहीं मिला, if you don't get that much mark, means what? You are directly rejected. Okay, they will not consider you for final merit list. Maybe you are topper in CBT in your branch. Okay, फर्क नहीं पड़ता, नहीं करेंगे. ठीक है, so I want that for this 15% you should put 100%. Okay, because what I told in the first video of BDL motivation video डाला था जो already connected है, they know that कि this 85% weightage is in your hand. ठीक है, of CBT, but this 15% weightage is not in your hand, right? But it is not like we will not do anything for this. Definitely prepare seriously, do your best for this 15%. Rest of the things वी विल सी आफ्टर रिजल्ट. ओके, देखा जाएगा बाद में. अगर डेस्टिनी में होगा BDL तो मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. ठीक है, और ये मतलब पास्ट अभी जो कनेक्टेड है उनको पता है वेटिंग लिस्ट में मिला है अपने पब्लिक को. नॉर्मल सिलेक्शन तो ऐसे ही आपको दिखे है, राइट? सो दैट इज द थिंग. सो दिस इज द थिंग ओनली आई वॉन्ट टू कन्वे यू गाइज. नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. ओके, सो नाउ बिफोर गोइंग टू अवर मेन वीडियो let me introduce our IGP. So yes, we are starting our most powerful program which is giving consistent selection in almost every PSU that I target, whether it is HL, then BRC, then ISRO. Now we are starting our most powerful program, that is interview guidance program IGP for BDL management trainee recruitment 2023. Okay, so now those who are already first connected to your channel, they may think that what is IGP, okay, what you will get in that. Every detail I will give you in further slide. But for now I can say that IGP is most powerful model which giving consistent selections in PSU and government job, whether it is HL, BDL also you saw already testimonials and everything, right? So almost every PSU that I target we have given the selection. Okay, so this is all about IGP. I can say introduction of IGP. Okay, before going further, now I am taking registrations for IGP like follows. Electronics I am taking total 15 seats. Okay, mechanical total 10 seats, electrical 5 and computer science 5 seats I am taking. Okay, so only 4 branches I am taking. Now sorry for others, okay, those who are watching this video after some time or for different branch, if you are from other branch like civil, फाइनेंस वगैरह, सो आई एम नॉट टेकिंग फॉर IGP. ओके, बट इट इज़ नॉट लाइक कि अगर सपोज ये वीडियो आप बाद में देख रहे होंगे जिधर ऑलरेडी सीट फुल हो गया है और रजिस्ट्रेशन अपना क्लोज हो गया है, IGP का बंद हो गया है, बट दिस वीडियो यू कैन यूज एज अ गाइड फॉर यू गाइज. डेफिनेटली आई विल गाइड यू. ओके, इट इज़ नॉट लाइक दैट कि IGP में सब करूँगा, इधर नहीं, इधर डेफिनेटली वॉट एवर पॉसिबल आई विल गिव यू. ठीक है, एंड यू विल यूज दिस वीडियो एज अ प्रिपरेशन गाइड एंड यू कैन प्रिपेयर फॉर द इंटरव्यू विद दिस वीडियो ऑल्सो. ठीक है, ओके, इट इज़ फॉर ओनली दोज हु आर वॉचिंग वीडियो आफ्टर सम टाइम वेन एवर IGP will get close. ठीक है, और अगर IGP ओपन है तो यू कैन ज्वाइन IGP क्विकली बिकॉज जो ऑलरेडी सब्सक्राइबर्स है डेफिनेटली वो ज्वाइन करेंगे. एंड हाँ, वन मोर थिंग दैट इफ यू आर वाचिंग दिस वीडियो लेटर देन मेक श्योर यू सब्सक्राइब टू द चैनल बिकॉज दिस इज मोस्ट ऑथेंटिक चैनल विच गिविंग कंसिस्टेंट सिलेक्शंस नॉट ओनली इन PSU but only in government jobs. Okay, now for MSP student, our Master Success Pack student. So yes, BDL Management Trainee Interview Guidance Program is part of your MSP. If you are already joined MSP for BDL preparation or for any other preparation that we target, सो नो नीड टू बाय अगेन. ओके, ज्वाइन फिर से नहीं करना है, आपके ऑलरेडी MSP में है. जस्ट टीम को मैसेज कर दो कि हाँ मेरा BDL का इंटरव्यू कॉल लेटर आया है, फिर वो डॉक्यूमेंट्स आपको सबमिट करना है और फिर दे विल इनरोल यू फॉर IGP. ठीक है, Now those who are new, so I will recommend you, if you are targeting BDL management train recruitment with other recruitments that currently we are targeting in MSP, then join MSP. ठीक है, definitely it will give you advantage because along with BDL you can prepare for other exams. ठीक है, definitely MSP is most powerful model, it's most unique model I can say, and affordable also because in the same fee you are preparing for multiple recruitments. Okay, CBT, interview, GD वगैरह whole process I cover in MSP. ठीक है, so already links of MSP I have given in the comment section. You can check the detailed description, okay, where I wrote all the things. ठीक है, तो उसमें सब लिखा है, वो आप चेक कर सकते हो. ओके, बट इन शॉर्ट अगर आपको चाहिए तो MSP जो है मल्टीपल रिक्रूटमेंट्स यू कैन टारगेटिंग सेम फी, तो यू कैन जॉइन MSP. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट अवर MSP नाउ. Okay, so this is all about our MSP. Now we will come to our IGP. So now those who are watching this video for the first time, those who are on our channel for the first time, they may ask me that what is IGP, what is included in IGP. They want to join, but they want information. Okay, so this segment is for them only. So the first important point in our IGP that will be there is by default mock interviews. Okay, because obviously with without mock interviews, it is not possible to get selection, right? So mock interviews will be there. Okay, now you will ask me the next question that, sir, how many mock interviews will be there? Yeah, that is a valid question, right? So see, in our IGP I take 3 mock interviews. Okay, now here condition is applied. What is the condition? That suppose, okay, after giving training to you in these 3 mocks, I feel that okay, you are not that much ready for the interview. Okay, because see, first important thing is very much clear to you. You should know that before going to the interview, your first job is to impress me or is to satisfy me, because obviously if I am not getting satisfied, then forget about interview panel. Okay, so main thing is that अपना first target क्या होगा कि आपको ऐसा prepare करो कि मैं satisfy हो जाऊँ. ठीक है, so after going through all our 3 mocks which is designed scientifically, lots of thought process is there for designing these 3 mocks. ठीक है, if you go through this process and still if I feel that okay, you require 1 more 2 more, then I will do that, because my target is to give selection. ठीक है, I want selection anyhow, and this is the 3rd time in the row I will get the selection. Okay, so it is a hat trick chance for me, I can say, in terms of cricket, right? तो hat trick तो लेना ही लेना है, तो इसलिए मेन थिंग इज दैट ऐसा मत सोचो कि ओके 3 ही मॉक होगा वगैरह. ओके, 3 होगा सफिशिएंट होगा, बट इफ आई फील 1 more is required, 2 more is required, I will do that. ठीक है, up to my satisfaction level I will stop when I will feel yes, you are now ready for the interview and you can crack that. Okay, that at that moment only when I will get that feeling from you after watching, after observing your performance, then we will done with your mock interview. ठीक है, second point that it will be 1-to-1 discussion. Now it is not like I am making the video and I will give to you. Okay, हो गया काम, bye bye. It is not like that. It will be completely 1-to-1 discussion. First I will get knowledge about you. Okay, क्या किया है आपने, what you did for the past 3-5 years, 10 years, okay, वगैरह, and based on that I frame your profile and then I ask you the questions. ठीक है, what are possible questions you may get in your interview, and I hope you watch the testimonials that whatever I ask, the same interview questions they got in the interview. ठीक है, so I know that which mindset interview panel is working. Okay, what they want from you guys, because obviously that feeling I will get after this 10 plus years of experience, almost I guess 11 year now I can say. ठीक है, November पास, so 11 साल हो गए हैं गाइड करते हुए, तो डेफिनेटली इससे आइडिया आ जाता है, राइट? ओके, so 1-to-1 discussion will be there. Next will be live feedback. So now see, after your mock interview, at that moment only our feedback discussion will get start. ठीक है, it is not like that कि mock interview हो गया फिर बाद में आपको मैं कभी कॉल करता हूँ या कभी मतलब मैसेज करूँगा. I will message you and I will text you, okay, this point you need to improve. At that moment live feedback will be there. You will note down that feedback, improve that. Next time I will check whether you improve or not. Okay, then I will ask you that what you did for that. Okay, why you didn't do that. Means lots of discussion we will do in that. ठीक है, and then we will repeat this process again and again. तो इससे definitely improvement होगा. ठीक है, so live feedback will be there. Now most important thing that after going through our 3 mocks, okay, what you will get. First important point you will get that how to frame required answers. ठीक है, now see, no one will tell you. Okay, because see, interview questions will be general for all candidates. ठीक है, now suppose for this 42 posts are there in BDL ना, so for this 42 post अगर 150 suppose अगर 5 का भी रेशियो लिया हमने तो टोटल 200 कैंडिडेट जा रहे हैं, राइट? सो नाउ द क्वेश्चन विल बी ऑलमोस्ट आई कैन से 70-80% सेम फॉर ईच एंड एवरी कैंडिडेट. ठीक है, सो आउट ऑफ 200 यू मे थिंक ना, आपको सोचना है कि क्या ऐसे करें कि आप ये फाइनल 42 में आ गए, ठीक है। तो उसमें ही फर्स्ट पॉइंट है दैट क्वेश्चंस विल बी सेम 70-80%, 20-30% विल बी डिफरेंट लिटिल बिट अकॉर्डिंग टू प्रोफाइल, बट how you are answering that, okay, as per expectation, whether you are answering or not. So this thing they will check, and that thing you will develop through over these 3 mocks, ठीक है। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट है ये फर्स्ट पॉइंट। सेकेंड पॉइंट, यू विल गेट दैट हाउ टू गिव डिरेक्शन टू द इंटरव्यू। नाउ सी, वेन एवर इंटरव्यू इज गोइंग ऑन, ठीक है, if interviewer is controlling your interview, then definitely you will not get good marks, okay. So how to control the interview at that moment, live location, okay, कैसे करना है control, that idea you will get through our direction. Because first what I am doing, I am taking the information from you, okay, about your profile, and then based on that I will tell you that what is the best possible way you can give direction to the interview, okay, so that during the whole the interview you will not feel stress, or you will not feel underconfident, okay, because you know that yeah, I am the leader here, okay, I am giving the direction, so you will be confident always, okay. Next, third point, you will get that expected questions based on previous trend. Now you know that for BDL I am giving consistent selection. I will again repeat this point, okay. 2021, 22, and now 2023 also I will give for sure, right? After this result you can see our video. So main thing is that as per that you will get the idea that what is the previous questions they ask you, okay, so that trend you will get. Now most important, and I can say most powerful part of our IGP, that is what questions they will ask you based on current trend, okay. So when actual interview will get start, I will analyze and I will provide you the set of questions which possibilities there that they may ask you, okay. So based on current trend and previous trend we will prepare for the interview, and after getting these 3 important things from our 3 mocks, okay, you may observe that 3 सब है क्योंकि 3 मेरा lucky number है, okay, that is the thing. And yeah, I am serious about that. 3 is my lucky number, that's why I keep 3 mock tests, okay. And you can see that that lucky number is working. Actually we are getting selections consistently, right? Okay, but obviously lots of thought process, lots of work is behind all these 3 mock tests, all these 3 mock interviews, okay. Definitely you can see from this, right? The most important thing you will get, and that is your confidence, okay, because till your interview you will get the idea, okay, what questions they will ask me, okay. So already we practiced that live, right? Then you will get the idea that how to give the direction. So based on these points you will get the confidence, and without confidence you can't crack the interview, okay. Confidence is most important thing, and see, confidence you can't fake. आप फेक नहीं कर सकते, वो आपके फेस पे दिखता है, ठीक है। जैसे अभी मैं बोल रहा हूँ तो मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस आपको पता है आईजीपी के बारे में, बिकॉज वाई, because I already provided selection. That's why I'm super confident about my MSP and IGP. ऑलरेडी मैंने दिए हैं सिलेक्शंस, राइट। अगर मैं फर्स्ट टाइम कर रहा होता तो मैं कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं होता शायद से, बट ऑलरेडी मैंने दिए हैं सिलेक्शन, ओके। ऑलरेडी आप प्रैक्टिस करोगे अबाउट इंटरव्यू, सो दैट थिंग विल create a difference between other candidate and you, okay. So this is the small introduction I can say of my IGP. I hope you got the idea that what is IGP, what is included in your IGP, and what you can expect from our IGP. The next thing that for me it is most important कि ठीक है मैंने बता दिया, ठीक है, बट ये भी बताना बहुत ज़्यादा important है मेरे लिए. For me it is very much important for me to tell you guys that who should join my IGP, ठीक है. So first important point, now suppose in the past basically what happened that okay, because of the lack of number of seats after my video students join quickly, ठीक है, seats are full, but after some time they feel okay, I will not go for this interview, I will go for other interview, okay, like that. So because of this point, this attitude, what is happening, you are wasting one seat, ठीक है. एक सीट आप वेस्ट कर रहे हो क्योंकि रजिस्ट्रेशन क्लोज, मेरे पास टाइम लिमिटेड है, ओके. सो ऑब्वियसली आई कैन टेक लॉट्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट हियर बिकॉज आई एम गाइडिंग 1-to-1, आई एम ट्रेनिंग यू गाइज 1-to-1, राइट. सो ओनली आई एम डूइंग दिस थिंग. So what you are doing basically, if you are not attending the interview or if you are not serious for the interview, then you are wasting that one seat. And इसका प्रॉब्लम मुझे भी होता है बिकॉज जो सिलेक्शन मुझे मिल सकता था, ओके, बिकॉज फॉर द नीडी कैंडिडेट दोज हु वांट आईजीपी, सो वो नहीं मिलेगा, ठीक है. सो प्लीज इट्स माय हम्बल रिक्वेस्ट टू यू गाइज दैट इफ यू वांट टू अटेंड बीडीएल मैनेजमेंट ट्रेनिंग इंटरव्यू, ओके, then only please join, otherwise no join, don't join please, ठीक है. Because I don't want that someone will miss this opportunity because of your joining the IGP, ठीक है, and provided that you are not serious, okay. So I hope you understand this point. And suppose if you want guidance that okay sir, I have this interview with BDL or other interview with BDL, other exam with BDL, what I should do, then on chat you can message me, okay, on application, I will guide you, and then you can join IGP. Okay, it is not like that I will not talk with you on application. I will be available when I will get time, because daily I have get hundred of messages of the student on WhatsApp, Telegram, and application. Okay, so whenever I will get time, I will definitely reply you. Okay, so you can ask me, and then you can decide whether to join BDL Management Training IGP or not. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now next thing, that those who are giving last attempt. Now in the previous selections you may see on our test community on videos वगैरह, ठीक है, you may observe that some student got selected and they are BTech here. I mentioned that BTech pass out here just for you guys, so that you will get motivated that okay, this guy can do, then I can also do. ठीक है, you may say that BTech pass out here 13, 14, 15. ठीक है, 70 to 23 is common, means almost we got selection in that. But main thing is that if you are giving last attempt of your life, you will not appear for any other exam because of age criteria. Then I will strictly recommend you that blindly you can join IGP quickly before seats are getting filled. Okay, because I don't want that because of lack of guidance you will miss this opportunity, because this is one last opportunity you have in your life. Okay, after that you will not get other opportunity to appear for any exam, and it should not feel like okay मैंने कुछ किया नहीं, ठीक है, I didn't do anything that is required. Okay, बाकी जो भी रिजल्ट हो एटलीस्ट वो फील रहेगा कि हाँ जो भी पॉसिबल था मैंने किया, just it was not in my fate or not in my destiny. Okay, then the next thing, that those who are giving first interview of their life, suppose you got called for the interview and it is your first interview, then lots of learning and lots of things are there that definitely you will learn from our IGP, so you can join that. Okay, next again I will repeat, if you are serious for BDL then please only join my IGP, otherwise don't join. And the last thing, that those who are working aspirant, because now majority of candidates are working, so definitely you will get all the things at one place, first thing, okay, which will reduce your time, which will save your time, I can say. And main thing, authentic guidance you will get, under which you will prepare. Okay, so main thing is that कि सभी चीज़ें आपको मिलने वाली है, तो जो भी एस्पायरेंट वर्किंग है, टाइम लेस है आपके पास, ठीक है, तो कम टाइम में एक अच्छा प्रिपरेशन आपका विद IGP हो सकता है. ठीक है, ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट अवर MSP एंड IGP. नाउ वी विल स्टार्ट अवर क्विक गाइड फॉर द इंटरव्यू. अभी जो ये वीडियो IGP फील होने के बाद देख रहे हैं, ओके, और फ्रॉम अदर ब्रांचेस फॉर विच वी आर नॉट टेकिंग IGP, so this part is very much important for you guys. Okay, I hope you will make proper notes and you will just listen carefully each and everything whatever I will discuss now. Okay, let's start it. So see, first about interview, let me give you idea about our interview. Okay, so it will be your panel interview. Okay, now every year a panel changes, means suppose 1 year they have 4 to 5 member, last year I guess 3 to 4 member was there. Okay, but again 3 to 6 member you can say it will be range. So 3 people or 3 to 6 people will be there in front of you and they will ask you the questions. Okay, each person have expertise in particular subject, so based on that only they will ask the questions. Okay, next thing you will ask me the duration. Now see, for BDL basically you can expect the duration from around 10 to 15 minutes. Okay, now throughout the selections whatever we give previous time, what I observe that those who are in this range, okay, they got selection, and those who means definitely they will say you okay, done with your interview, okay, after 5 minutes also. So if you are in range of 5 to 10 minutes, okay, suppose they take your interview for 7-8 minutes, then means little bit you should worry. Okay, so those who are in 10 to 15, okay, they got high selection because I just talked to the candidate, those who got selected, okay, from that. But again it is not a compulsory, few are also there that those who are in 5 to 10 minutes range, not 5 but I can say 7, 8, 9 minutes, they also got selection. Okay, but this is a general thing what I observe through the previous trend, I am telling you. Okay, so that you will get proper idea. Okay, 10 to 15 minutes need to survive there. Okay, so this is the duration and this is the about interview. Now how to prepare. So first part you will prepare, okay, that is your about company. Okay, what BDL do, what is BDL, okay, don't do just tell them okay it is Miniratna PSU, because this information they don't want from you. Okay, where actually BDL is working, what is BDL doing, every information you will study about BDL, and what is the source of that, obviously their website. Okay, so BDL official website you will use for your preparation. Okay, now let me show you quickly the website also. Okay, so this is the website of BDL in front of you. Now here you can see about a section which is most important for you. So what all the points, okay, are important. So you will do about us section. ठीक है, our products, what products we have, that you will study. Okay, investor, then human resource, supplier, RTI, CSR, vigilance, make in India, oil, video gallery, no need to see. Okay, but ये जो दो point है, these two tabs are very very important for you. Okay, also you can go through the home pages. This is home page of BDL, so you can go through all this. ठीक है, already everyone is there. Milestone वगैरह ये करने की जरूरत नहीं इतना डिटेल में. ठीक है, so at least study this much point so that you will get idea about BDL. Okay, now second point. At this point is only for BTech candidate, for the engineers. Okay, for finance and HR background, this point is not applicable for you, and that is you are learning about your project. So whatever project you did in your BTech, okay, that project they will ask you. So just get proper knowledge of your project, okay, so that you can get. Then the third point is your technical round. Now in technical round, basically what they will ask you. So see, whatever syllabus you already studied for your CBT exam, okay, that is the BDL syllabus, that you need to study again, or that you need to revise again, already you studied. So revise again for your interview. Okay, so from that a few questions they will ask you for every branch or for every post. Okay, management training, finance, HR also, whatever syllabus you studied, they will ask you. And for BTech candidate, they will ask you questions from your project. So whatever technical components, means hardware, software you use in your project, okay, from that they will ask you the questions that about that hardware you should know that, okay, which hardware you use. Suppose I am taking example of microcontroller, then they may ask you that, okay, which microcontroller you use in your project, why you use microcontroller, what is microcontroller, like that. Means they will link your technical parts of the project with your technical round. Okay, so whatever you use in your project, that also you need to prepare technically, okay, in your technical round. And the last part, that is 4 point, is your HR round. Now in HR round, okay, about BDL they will ask that I already told you that you will study from your website. Okay, then why you want to join BDL. Okay, other questions like strength and weakness and other lots of HR questions are there. Any they can ask you. Okay, 2 to 3 questions they will ask you, so that you can prepare for HR round. Okay. Okay, so this is all about your BDL interview. I hope you got each and every point clear. I hope you make your notes also, right? Now all the best for the interview. If you have still any more queries, any more doubt, then you can comment down below. I will reply you as soon as possible. Don't forget to join our Telegram and WhatsApp group where you will get job notifications and all the other details also. Okay, that is important, so you can join that quickly. And now you can join IGP or MSP quickly. In the comment section you will get all the links. So before all the seats feel fast, just join MSP and IGP quickly. Okay, all the best.